a cabin air filter on a Dodge Charger. This one happens to be a 2014, but pretty sure it counts for other years as well. Not behind the glove box like on many other cars. Instead, it's in your engine compartment. These two clips right here. Pull that up and out of the way. And then inside, you can see the filter. So this is just clipped on right there, clipped on over here. They're just simple clips, as you can hear. Now this one definitely needs to be cleaned out, but this is how you get to it. It's just like this. This one's filthy. Replacing it for a reason. I just vacuumed out everything in there. Here's the new filter. You can see the airflow arrow. So you'll install it like this because it's drawing air through and into the cabin. Went ahead and cleaned out what I could up here. Cleaned out in there some, but all you got to do is just match that arrow up. Just like that. See the arrow? Not too bad. That's it. That's the one I picked up. Got it off Amazon for like 13 bucks, I think. Stay tuned for more videos.